Resize an image in a single layer in Photoshop. I have multiple layers with an animal on each layer. One layer has a bird that is too big. How can I make this bird smaller without affecting the size of the other animals in the other layers? I want to maintain aspect ratio.
Use the free transform command. Check the chain link between the height and width field to maintain aspect ratio. Select the layer you want to resize and go to Edit, Transform, Scale to get the handles to resize the layer. You can hold the Shift key to constrain it so the bird doesn't get warped. Just drag a corner until it's the size you want. Select the Move tool to move it back if the resize put it out of place, and you're done.
Ctrl+T transforms the layer that is selected. You can transform the layer to fit.
I fjorden tar så på det där framme, för att se som skidor så streaming.